Bolt. Noun. A usually metal fastener consisting of a cylindrical body that is threaded, with a larger head on one end. It can be inserted into an unthreaded hole up to the head, with a nut then threaded on the other end, a heavy machine screw. Bolt. Noun. A sliding pin or bar in a lock or latch mechanism. Bolt. Noun. A bar of wood or metal dropped in horizontal hooks on a door and adjoining wall or between the two sides of a double door, to prevent the doors from being forced open. Bolt. Noun. A sliding mechanism to chamber and unchamber a cartridge in a firearm. Bolt. Noun. A small personal armor-piercing missile for short-range use, or in common usage though deprecated by experts, a short arrow, intended to be shot from a crossbow or a catapult. Bolt. Noun. A lightning spark, i.e., a lightning bolt. Bolt. Noun. A sudden event, action or emotion. The problem's solution struck him like a bolt from the blue. Bolt. Noun. A large roll of fabric or similar material, as a bolt of cloth. Bolt. Noun. A sudden spring or start, a sudden leap aside. The horse made a bolt. Bolt. Noun. A sudden flight, as to escape creditors. Bolt. Noun. An iron to fasten the legs of a prisoner, a shackle, a fetter. Bolt. Noun. A burst of speed or efficiency. Bolt. Verb. To connect or assemble pieces using a bolt. Bolt the vise to the bench. Bolt. Verb. To secure a door by locking or barring it. Bolt the door. Bolt. Verb. To flee, to depart, to accelerate suddenly. Seeing the snake, the horse bolted. The actor forgot his line and bolted from the stage. Bolt. Verb. To cause to start or spring forth, to dislodge an animal being hunted. To bolt a rabbit. Bolt. Verb. To strike or fall suddenly like a bolt. Bolt. Verb. To escape. Bolt. Verb. To swallow food without chewing it. Bolt. Verb. To drink one's drink very quickly, to down a drink. Come on, everyone, bolt your drinks, I want to go to the next pub. Bolt. Verb. To utter precipitately, to blurt or throw out. Bolt. Adverb. Suddenly, straight, unbendingly. The soldiers stood bolt upright for inspection. Bolt. Verb. To sift, especially through a cloth. Bolt. Verb. To sift the bran and germ from wheat flour. Gram flour is unbolted flour. Bolt. Verb. To separate, assort, refine, or purify by other means. Bolt. Noun. A sieve, especially a long fine sieve used in milling for bolting flour and meal, a bolter. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.